Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're in a hotel, not in the regular setup, so this is just going to be a one-off video out traveling here. So yes, no sunglasses today, no big setup, nothing like that, but this coin looks interesting. Obviously, Twitter has become very popular in the news because they changed to X.com. And then now there's a new token coming out called X.com that's getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the X.com token, ticker symbol XCOM. We're going to go over the info on that and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. So take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, the name of the token is X.com. That's the name with a dot in it. And the ticker symbol is just XCOM. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Trading opens on July 30th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange with over 6 million users called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the X.com token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search XCOM, and then simply just buy the X.com token. It is that easy. So like I said, trading opens July 30th, 12 o'clock UTC time. And withdraws, you can withdraw your tokens July 31st, 12 o'clock UTC time, so basically 1 day later. So the total supply of this token, there's a lot of tokens here. That's a million, billion, trillion, 840 quadrillion tokens. If you want to find their official webpage here, it is listed on Mexc Global. They also have the contract address, their Twitter, all sorts of things here. So xcom.cash is their page, and it's a very cool page where Elon Musk is holding an orb that has the X in it. Maybe I'll throw that up here so you guys can see what the page looks like. But on their webpage, they have looks like a chart. It says check it, so that'll lead you to a chart. They also have a buy it button. It says add X.com bot to your Telegram. So if you want to do that, you can do that right off their webpage. And it says add X.com pick bot to Telegram as well. So they have two different bots. These chat bots and AI bots are very popular these days, especially on Twitter, aka X. It says revolutionizing the future of finance with X.com. Embrace the power of cryptocurrency from a secure and inclusive tomorrow. So it says ride the wave of Elon Musk's playful successor. So welcome to X.com, the next frontier in the world of digital cryptocurrencies, led by the visionary Elon Musk. X.com is set to revolutionize the way we think about money, transactions, and the future of technology. At X.com, we believe in the power of innovation and cutting-edge technology. Our mission is to create a seamless and secure platform that will enable users to embrace the potential of cryptocurrencies. With our new black and white X logo, we're leaving behind the traditional bluebird of Twitter and paving the way for a new era. So the Xcom supply and token information, it says join Xcom's community as we revolutionize the way tokenomics operate, experience the low transaction tax, witness the perpetual security, and be part of a community that values transparency and innovation. So on their webpage, you can find the contract address, supply information. We already went over that. So max supply is 840 million or 40 quadrillion tokens. It can't be any more than that. And it says it's all in circulating supply as well. So total max and circulating supply of the token is all the same, 840 quadrillion tokens. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. If you go to MEXC Global's Twitter, if you go there to at MEXC_, I believe it's official on Twitter, you will find the announcement for this token. And if you click on details, it'll take you to their Etherscan. It'll take you to their Twitter. You'll be able to check out the Block Explorer, their Telegram, and their webpage. And so then it'll also have the listing announcement, all that type of stuff on here. So it says the ultimate meme token evolution on the Ethereum blockchain. So they do have a DEX tools chart that you could check out. That's on their webpage. So when the token's live, if you want to see the chart too on MEXC Global, they're going to have the chart over there as well. So there's all different ways you could find the chart to this token. I'm not sure if it's listed yet on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, but this token is going to be listed on MEXC Global. They also have Medium articles, they have a GitHub, they have a YouTube channel, and they have a Reddit. So they have tons of different socials. Their Telegram is doing amazing. So if you go to their Telegram, which is listed on their page, they have over 20,000 Telegram followers right now. So they're doing very well on Telegram. They have a big Twitter following. They're getting this brand new MEXC listing. Now, are they actually affiliated with Twitter? I don't believe so. This is, if you go to X.com, that'll just take you to Twitter. So this is a totally different webpage, not the actual X.com webpage. It is Xcom.cash is their webpage. So not affiliated with Elon Musk or anything whatsoever, I believe. This is just a meme token with a couple bots that you can use, their Telegram bots. And, if you think it's just going to do well based off the name, then this token might be a good investment. If you think like, oh, this token is going to be trending and last maybe and go viral like Pepe just based off the name, it's possible. Some of these X tokens are very popular. Check out my video on another token called Twitter X, and there's another one called AIX. Those ones are very popular videos. There's also X Doge. That's another very popular token. So this is a trending name as of right now, but anything could happen in the future. This token could do horribly because, people are over the X.com hype already. You never know. So I'm not a financial advisor. Why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Xcom token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Check out my other videos on those other tokens I just named. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Pretty soon I'll be back to normal civilization at home where I can make my normal videos. But as of today, right now we're in a hotel and can't do much about that. But I still wanted to get this this video uploaded about this new token so you guys don't miss this one. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Thanks for everybody hitting that join button, supporting on Patreon, all these different ways you guys support. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.